Shallow values produces empty victories. Kapag mali yung reason and foundation ng ginagawa mo, when you reach that pinnacle of success, you will always feel the emptiness and that void that nothing or nobody can ever fulfill because God was not the center and the foundation of that dream that you built. Na-realize ko in my 20 years in the business that if God is not the foundation of what you're doing right now, then everything will feel empty. But if you wrapped it around God's will, God's purpose, and what really God wants to happen in your life, there's so much peace in your heart because you know you're at the right place, at the right time, where God really wanted you to be. Di ba?